Good morning. Y'all, it's time to get my nails done. I have not found a nail tech in Dallas yet. I do have an appointment this morning. I saw her work on Instagram and it is chef kiss, so I'm about to go check her out. So I shall return. I found my nail tech, y'all. She is so fire. The foundation, the shape. Now I did have the almond nails for like 2 months. I had them for 2 months because I wanted to try a different shape, but I'm a tapered square kind of girl. Tapered square all the way. So we got the claws back, and now I'm about to head across the street and get a pedicure because she only does nails. She has like a little suite and she does nails only. So I'm gonna go to this other salon and get a pedi. So let's go. Let's get into it. I ended up in Target. It was not the plan, but y'all won't believe how much I spent. My total was $333. Isn't that crazy? But now it's time to get home and assemble all of these things that I got. And then I'm starving actually, so I need to eat. So that's the move. We're gonna eat, then we're gonna go home. I totally forgot that Wednesdays at PetSmart are the days that they do the feedings for the reptiles and snakes and stuff. And so I'm here at PetSmart and I'm gonna buy my snake some food. I'm really nervous because I've never done this before. And I low-key, like, I don't know, but here we go. Okay, guys, I got them. The pet store didn't have the size that they usually have, so they told me to feed them these smaller ones, but just give them 2. I'm going to be giving my snake frozen. Like, obviously I'm gonna thaw it out because if you do live, I feel like the rat or the mice can like injure them. They can bite the snake and all that stuff. So it's just safer, in my opinion, to do a frozen and then thaw it out. So that's what we're gonna do. Okay, this is a trigger warning. If you mind seeing this type of stuff, please like fast forward about like a minute or 2. Oh, this is what they look like. So I'm gonna feed it 2. I'm gonna put it in some hot water so that they can thaw out, and then we're gonna go feed them. I'm gonna shut the light off and let it do its thing. So like I stated earlier, when I went to go buy the mice, I was very nervous. Like, I grew up with ball pythons, but I've never been the one to feed them. So me having to buy its food and actually place it in its enclosure so that it can eat was new for me. But it was actually pretty cool to witness it feeding and the process of how it even gets it down. I didn't even know that snakes were as strong as they are. My mouth was literally wide open, like, watching this, because for one, I didn't know if it would actually eat its food this time because I had previously tried like 2 times before. And then for 2, just to like see this, like, look at it, like, I was just in shock. I was in shock, you guys. But I'm glad that my baby finally decided to eat something. As of now, I feed him or not him because we still don't know the gender, but I will feed him once every 2 weeks. So it ended up only eating one mice, which is fine because apparently like when I got him, he hadn't eaten in like 3 weeks. My snake's name is called Slick. So Slick, will address it as Slick from now on until we know the sex. Tomorrow, the maintenance self-care continues. I'm getting my lashes done. I also found a lash tech. So yeah, I'm gonna get my lashes done tomorrow. So I will see you guys in the morning. My appointment is at 8:15 in the morning and I have to drive like 45 minutes away. So I'm gonna go to sleep and I'll talk to you guys tomorrow. Good morning. It is 7 o'clock. Okay. It is 7 o'clock and I am headed to get my lashes done. I love getting my lashes done. You wanna know why? It's a guaranteed nap on that table, okay? And the sleep is always great. So I'm excited to take a nap. I'll check back in with you guys when I got some new lashes. I'm getting them removed and I'm getting them put back on. So here we go. They look so good. They look so good. One thing about me is on my lash appointment, I'm gonna take a nap. Like I'll talk to my lash tech for like 15-20 minutes, but it's just gonna take a nap. Yeah, my hair is like messed up from taking a nap and I don't really care because I'm about to go wash it and bring the curls back. So let's go home. It is 11 p.m. and I just got back from the gym. Like I just randomly went to the gym because I was like, I need to go to the gym. So I decided to go late night and I'm so glad that I did. I'm at the shower, head to bed, and that's it. See you guys tomorrow. Good morning. Happy Saturday. My fridge just got delivered, but literally they weren't able to put the water line in. So I won't have any water or ice right now, which isn't a big deal, but it's like, come on. Like, come on. So that's how my morning is going. I was hoping for like a smooth, very, very smooth process, but it's fine. I'm grateful to even have my fridge. So now that I can like go grocery shopping and things like that. So the maintenance continues. Let's go shopping. I feel like 20 times better from this morning. My morning kind of started off like not so great, but I came to the gym, I pushed myself, and I feel so much better. Like if you are like going through something or feel like, you know, times are rough, honestly, if you just go to the gym, I feel like it will help you. Like going to the gym has helped my like mental health so much that I have to go to the gym. Like I have to. So let this be a reminder to go to the gym if you are feeling sad, sweat that shit out, push yourself. Yeah, so being that my fridge got to my house, I think I'm gonna go home, shower, and then go grocery shopping. So let's go. I think, hey, that is scheduled to change. I'll let you guys know when I get home and see how I'm feeling. That quickly, I'm just gonna go grocery shopping tomorrow because I just want to get in the shower, relax, and do some classwork. Yay, classwork. For this to be a maintenance self-care vlog, my hair needs to be washed, like real bad because no ma'am. But I decided that I'm just going to wash it later on in the week. And I'm gonna close out this maintenance vlog with my skincare routine and a nice little bubble bath, and then that's it. Honestly, this toner is a blemish-free toner. I've been using it for about almost 2 months now, and it helps prevent breakouts. And I literally, honest to God, I haven't had a breakout since using this serum. This toner. Make sure you get the hairline, y'all, because I feel like that is an area that is so neglected. So that hairline, because of sweat and everything. So this toner has definitely been helping me not have breakouts. And even like on the cycle, like I always guaranteed pimple right before my cycle. Didn't happen. And I give the credit to this blemish care toner. I was talking about it on my Instagram, but yeah. So we got that. This body butter, it's anti-aging for one. For two, it has a vegan retinol alternative in it. It's so buttery, hydrating. You'll be hydrated for like 24 hours. Literally, can't live without it.